and gentlemen, this morning I must call you about the Wake Up and Win call that we are about to have. And I'm just letting you know that this call is not just for me. This call is for everybody. Wake up, stand up, baby. This call is for 9 to 5. This call is for entrepreneurs. This call is for anybody that feel like they need the inspiration or the motivation to get up this morning and make a move and make a difference. This call is not just for you. This call is not just for your neighbor, or your family, your friends. This call is for everyone. So get up this morning, wake up and win. Get on this call and get the inspiration or the motivation that you need to be pushed and get on your job this morning, or motivate and inspire people this morning, or even just to get up and push your goals forward. They might say something on the call this morning that hits your heart because they feel like it's talking directly to you. You know, like when you're in church and your pastor is talking and you feel like, hey, is he picking on me? Is he talking to me? That's how these calls are every morning. Get up, get on these calls, get inspired, get motivated, and let's go. This call's for you.